Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to restart Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. About 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I have opened my Discord application, and to restart this application, click on this icon here, and here you will find your Discord. So right click above Discord icon and click on Quiet Discord, and then search here Discord and reopen your Discord app. So this was the first method to restart the Discord app, and now let's see the second method. Right click above taskbar and click on Task Manager, and you will get Discord app here. Select the Discord, then click on End Task, and here we can see Discord has been closed. And now reopen your Discord app. So this was 2 ways to restart your Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.